little artists! Are you ready to create something super cute and colorful today? We're going to draw and color a beautiful rainbow flower. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers and let's get started. First, let's draw a circle right in the middle of our paper. This will be the center of our flower. Now, let's draw 6 petals around the circle. 1, 2, 3. Keep going until we have 6.
Wow!
Whoa! Doesn't it look awesome already? Our drawing is complete, but we're not done yet. Let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork really pop. Look how nicely our flower is dancing on the paper. It's so lively. Now it's time to bring our rainbow flower to life with some colors. Here are our color pens. We're going to use all the colors of the rainbow. Let's start with red color for the first petal.
Cool!
Next, orange color for the second petal.
Awesome!
Now, yellow color for the third petal.
Wow!
Green color for the fourth petal.
Cool!
Blue color for the fifth petal.
Awesome!
And finally, purple color for the last petal.
Wow!
Let's add some pink color to the center of our flower. It's so bright and cheerful. Wow! Our rainbow flower looks fantastic with all those colors. You did an amazing job today, creating such a beautiful and colorful flower. Keep practicing and don't forget to share your artwork with us. Until next time, keep coloring and keep smiling. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.